It is a killdeer bird over here, and she's getting swarmed by a flock of birds here. She's protecting her eggs. There she go. There she go. She's protecting her eggs. I'm gonna zoom in. She has 4 eggs. That's a killdeer. They lay eggs on the ground, and if you get too close, she will start chirping at you. She's been here for about a week now. Beautiful bird. I don't know too much research on these birds, but I looked it up and I seen that they're not good for pets, and it's against the law actually to have one of these birds as pets in the state of Texas. Pretty bird. She has 4 beautiful eggs. Let me see if I can get the eggs real quick. If she can move. Zoom out. Well, she's not gonna, and let's see, I'm gonna zoom in. There we go. See the color? Beautiful color. That's a killdeer. And this is on an active construction site. But the foreman of this job site, he's aware of this killdeer bird, and they're not allowed to come over here until she leave the nest and her eggs hatch. If you like some of my videos and you want to see more, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.